I personally feel a huge responsibility because the society in Poland gives the confidence to researchers to make their life more comfortable with new technology, and this raises a lot in a positive interest.
This art project aims at the development of innovative processes based on the use of carbon dioxide and water to obtain energy and fuels under solar light.
In the desired project, we are working on the new reactor concept being applied for CO2 conversion.
If man will be able to develop a man-made carbon cycle that can be faster and more selective towards a target compound than natural carbon cycle, the future of our society will be prosperous.